Extra cost to make Google phone in US, $4. Google made a big splash when it announced the Moto X, the new flagship phone of the company's Motorola division, will be manufactured in Texas. An analysis of the smartphone's internal components by IHS iSupply revealed that the Moto X costs between $3.50 and $4 more per phone to make than the Apple iPhone 5 or the Samsung Galaxy S4, both of which are assembled in China. This report looks at this fact. It's only $4 more to make the Google phone here. So why doesn't Apple do it, for example? Why don't we restore manufacturing and wealth creation to America? All those millions of people unemployed. Well, it looks at the fact that Apple sells 138 million iPhones. If you multiply that by 4, you get about $550 million more that it would cost the company in profits. Of course, they say they're not going to do it.
Well, the reasoning makes no sense to me. They're saying that because they're so profitable, they couldn't do it in America. They're saying Americans don't deserve the profits. The few princelings that run Apple deserve the profits, not the Americans who are consuming the products or supporting the infrastructure that supports Apple, creating the infrastructure with their taxes that support Apple. They don't deserve anything. They deserve to be sent to prison. They deserve to be murdered by the state. They deserve to be eradicated because they're in the way. That's what they deserve. And the fact that Apple can make a statement like that, or Google, or any of these high-tech companies, is as absolutely devastating to the American people, I would think, as any foreign tyrant saying that they want to drop a bomb on America. It's the same, there's an equivalency there. If Tim Cook, the head of Apple, said, I want to bomb New York City, that's Tim Cook of Apple, I want to blow up New York City with a 10 megaton atomic bomb, people would say, that's bad, Tim Cook. But when you say, I want to eviscerate the entire working population of America by not sharing with them the profits that we're stealing, people say, oh, Carl Icahn gives them $1 billion. Carl Icahn, by the way, is a financial terrorist. He has been for decades. That man should be in Guantanamo being unmercifully beaten, in my opinion.